How to create a viral short in 3 simple steps. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a viral YouTube short in just 3 simple steps. Stick with me till the end because I'll walk you through a real example to help you blow up your content. Alright, step 1 is finding a viral idea. Go to YouTube and search your niche, like I am searching for finance. Then filter by shorts and most viewed in the past month. Write down patterns. Maybe it's a shocking fact, a quick tip, or a relatable moment. You can also use tools like ChatGPT to generate titles and hooks based on trending topics. Step 2 is editing with a strong hook and fast pace. Open CapCut. Head over to Template section. CapCut's Shorts templates to speed up your editing. Pick one that already has jump cuts, music, text animations, and dynamic zooms. Replace the media with your own content and update the text, but keep the pace fast and engaging. Upload your audio and clip. Now step 3 is add captions that pop. This is non-negotiable. 80% of shorts are watched with the sound off. CapCut has auto captions with built-in templates. When you're done, export the video in 1080 by 1920 and upload it to YouTube Shorts with a catchy title and 2 to 3 relevant hashtags. And that's how you can create a viral short in 3 simple steps. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.